Good afternoon. So, how are you feeling today?
Eh, I'm feeling pretty good. Better than yesterday, if I should say so myself. Right?
Yeah, sure. If that's how you want to put it. You are definitely getting better. Anywho, let's get going. So, take me back to 1986. That is where your memory starts, correct?
Yeah. Although I do think in order for you to truly understand, I need to fast forward a little bit. Take you back to where you first came into the equation. Trust when I say I definitely could have gotten by without you. As I stand here with tears in my eyes, all I can do is look into the distance. The water just won't stop flowing. Confusion, depression, anger, bitterness. I'm so angry. Why, Lord? What did I do to deserve this? How dare you give me so many bad situations? I mean, good grief. I know you said you give your battles to the strongest soldiers, but am I really that strong? Man, it's heavy. So heavy that I can't believe I'm still living, breathing, here to face war another day. And not even a physical war, a mental war. It's definitely heavier. My mind is just racing nonstop. Not with just creative ideas, but with sadness. Man, life is just so heavy. And sometimes you don't know what to do, where to turn, who you can trust. I don't even know if I can trust myself. Everything that's been going on with me lately. How did I get here? Good grief. I just need a way out. Or maybe I need a way in. Or I don't know. Something has to give though. This right here, it's too heavy. I'm tired of arguing with you. Man, what are you talking about? You already knew that I was in entertainment. Okay, but that's what I'm saying. You always think that something is about somebody else. I don't know what you're talking about.
How could you just walk away from this right now? We need to talk.
What?
I am leaving.
I think somebody cheating and lying. Man, whatever. Okay, well go ahead and go then. I'm out of here. Man, whatever. I'm out of here, man. You said you loved me. You said you wanted me. You promised that you would take care of me, and all you want to do is argue. You never want to love me anything that I love. You never want to do anything that I want to do. Why would you do this to me? No. I can't believe I fell for it again. That's all he ever does is lie to me. I don't know why. But then I remembered that I am one of God's strongest soldiers, huh? Right, Dr. Sani'yah?
This is the police. Come out with your hands above your head. We have the place surrounded.